my favorite commands, and one that I use most, especially in the house, is the place command. This is a bed or an elevated surface that you teach your dog to go to and to stay on by command. I use this the most when I have guests or visitors at my house. Whether your dog is excited, nervous, or aggressive, it's a great place to send your dog as an off switch. This command can also be used for everyday necessities. I use this a lot when I'm eating, when I'm carrying things through the house and I don't want my dog under my feet, or I just need a safe place where I can send my dog to settle and be accounted for.